I'm going to bring in the statement we just looked at in our lecture, which was to find out which customers used which coupons on which order. So here you can see I have the coupon name, the customer last name, their email, and the order date. Now in order to pull this off, I have to join from coupon, customer order, and customer. Now customer orders are related to coupons via the coupon ID column. And customer is also related to customer order via the customer ID column. See here, you can see CO customer ID equals C.customer ID. So let's run this, and you can see it comes back with which coupon was used by whom on which date. So one question people may ask is, well, why did you start with coupon? Could you have done this query with customer? And the answer is I can. So let's take our statement here. I'm going to bring it down just so we can have it as reference. And let's now write this so that we start with customer. So this would be customer. And then what I would do is I'd be joining from customer to the customer order, right? So really that's this query here. So inner join, and this will be customer order, because I already have a customer table. And we're going to join on C.customer ID equals CO.customer ID. Okay, so the order of this equality doesn't matter, but I personally use the convention where I'm always going like from a table to a table, and so I'm always putting the outside table, in this case the customer table, first. So I'm saying I'm going from customer to customer order, customer to customer order. So now the next thing is I need to go from customer order to coupon, right? So I can put coupon here. What did we alias coupon in? I got to make sure I got the right, CP. Okay. So then I changed my alias to CP, and here using the same convention, I'm going to change it. I could have left it as, coupon code coupon ID equals customer order coupon ID, but again, I want to show that flow. It just helps me in my brain to know that I'm going from customer order to coupon. So customer order coupon ID equals coupon ID. Oh boy, too many C's. So let's run this and see what we get back. And you can see it comes back with the same results. So I just was able to kind of flip around. So instead of walking the relationships from the top of our diagram down to the bottom of the diagram, we just flipped it around. So there's a couple of things we can do now. If we want questions, like one question would be what's the unique list of coupons used by customers, right? So let's see if we can figure that out. I'm going to go back to our original statement here, though. And we want unique list of coupons used by customers. Okay, so I got the coupon name, customer. So I really don't need the customer order date. So let's run this, see what we get. And I start to get a list, but it may not be a unique list. Like I noticed the last name Duffy has coupon 15p, and there it is again. So to get a unique list, I cannot just use distinct right here. And let's run again. All right, and then you can see now I got a unique list, which brings up a good point that in terms of how the query runs, there's an order of operations that's occurring, right? The first order of operations is to do the select with the from and the join. And you think of it as internally now we got our result. and then based on that result, we can do other things to it. So the next one of the next orders of operation that can happen after that would be to take that list of results and make it distinct. All right, so let's do one last query where we bring in some other customer order information. So I'm going to do a select, whoops, star from customer order. Okay. And we have the customer that we're bringing in and also the coupon. Now the order taker is the employee. So let's just join that person in. And so in our detail, we'll show the coupon name, the last name, the email, the order date, and then the employee that took the order. So I'm going to take this query again. And then we'll just do coupon list with more tables. And then here we will add, I forgot the employee table, so we'll do select. Let's see what their name is. First name, last name. Alrighty, so we'll just do the last name. So here then I can do like, okay, who took the order? We'll do E dot last name. There we go. And now all I need to do is do an inner join on employee where the where the customer order taker ID equals employee ID, and then I forgot to alias this, and there we go. And now we have the employee name and which orders they took. And of course I could do more stuff like then do like order by E dot last name, and then CO dot order date, right? Just to show you how I can play with the result. So there you go. This is a join with 4 tables. And as you can see, joining the tables is mainly a matter of adding additional join clauses. All right, I'll see you in the next lesson.